So let's go ahead and take a look at the first set of properties on hurt. I'm going to go to my block on the idle. Oh, there we go. So on the hurt properties, the first thing that you'll probably notice is that you'll have a hurt force. Hurt force is just going to be how much applied force to the object this guy hits, and then the direction the hurt force is applied. So for instance, 1 is going to be up, 0 does nothing, -1 is down. So we'll say that for this one, when something gets hit by this guy, the hurt force is going to be in an upward direction, and it's going to bounce it up. We'll say like the hurt force up to around 25-30 range. Okay. Now let's go in and take the same block. I'm just going to use the eyedropper tool. Actually, here we'll go for this one. We'll click on the block again, and place one up top here, and then go to the properties for it. And let's go ahead and do a physics object for it so that it can actually get hurt in terms of hurt and move. The enable on that one, the weight of it, let's take weight up to about 20. When the weight is really light, this is like a very light object, only a few pounds, so it could be pushed very easily. The heavier it is, you'll find the balance between the weight of the object versus the hurt propulsion of the object, the force pushing it. So we'll say the weight is about 20. Alright, so it's going to start to fall this direction, and once it does, it'll get hit by the other object because the other object is actually has a hit point turned on. Oh, looks like we have a one other one we gotta do. If you go back to the top one, so that we can actually see what's happening, slow the fall rate down right there. Okay. And it's going to come down and hit, and the hurt is going to actually hit it and bounce it back up. And being a physics object, it's just coming back down again and hitting and going back down again. So that's going to be the applied hurt in that direction for it. And both objects had a hit point on, so they were doing damage to each other as well while they were hitting.